body healthy is an expression of gratitude to the whole cosmos, the trees, the clouds, and everything. Teek Nya Thang. A very good morning to one and all present here. Respected Chairman, Dr. T. Somshekar, COO, Dr. Srinidhi K. Parthasarathy, Professor Shalini, Principal IATCA, doctors and staff of the BBMP team, HODs of various departments, faculty members, non-teaching staff, dear students and parents. A warm welcome to all of you. COVID-19 has had a devastating effect across nations in many aspects. If the pandemic has taught us one thing, it is that the health of humans, animals, and the planet are intimately intertwined. Our decisions play a vital role towards the well-being of the society. Vaccination is one such decision. Not only does it help boost our immunity, but also minimizes the chances of being carriers. Indian Academy, in association with BBMP, has taken this initiative in organizing the vaccination drive. We, as a community, take this as a responsibility towards our staff, students, and fellow beings. On behalf of the institution, I would take this moment to extend our gratitude to the team of doctors and staff of the BBMP for taking the time out and being with us for this special cause. I request our CEO to welcome our chairman with a bouquet. We welcome continue, sir. We have received an overwhelming response from our students. Now we have around 1,064 students getting vaccinated across this 2 days drive. I thank and appreciate the management and the team that have worked together for organizing the same. It does not end here. The virus is still out there, mutating to attain variants that are worse. So we urge all of you to continue wearing masks, follow social distancing, and be responsible citizens. On this occasion, it gives me immense joy in inviting our dear chairman, Dr. T. Somshekhar, a scientist and a biologist, to address the gathering and share a few thoughts.
Our Chief Operating Officer and Director of our IS School of Management Studies, Dr. Srinidhi, Principal in charge of Indian Academy Degree College, Professor Shalini. We also have Professor Rajeshwari and Professor Leena, principals of our PU and nursing colleges respectively. All the teachers who have gathered and students. I'm very happy to inaugurate this specific vaccination drive for the benefit of our students. I was given to understand that over 1,100 students have registered for this particular vaccination drive, which is spread across 2 days, today and tomorrow. And I'm very glad to see good number of students coming forward. We are also collecting data of other students if they have already got vaccinated elsewhere. And some of the students who could not make it for this drive, if they are in other places, displaced, out of Bangalore kind of situations. There's nothing much to talk here except all of you students are aware about the distress, the turmoil this pandemic has unfolded and caused to humanity in general across the globe. And I think to the sheer determination of people around the world, we could able to cut short the development of vaccine, which usually takes much longer. Probably this is the first time people across the world have come together and made it happen, developing vaccines in such a short time. And those of you students have to be the messengers to people around in sensitizing the importance of vaccination. Vaccination is going to help you boost your immune system to fight the viruses. So that is the concept of vaccination, and I'm sure some of the biology students who are here understand that and appreciate. Other students also, I'm sure, have some idea about it, and you need to take this message. In the majority of the cases, 99.9% of the cases, vaccination can only help, maybe with varying degrees. It may not give you 100% protection against disease and death, but definitely it can give 99% protection against disease. Maybe it can prevent you from getting infected, but the symptoms of disease are expected to be very, very minimal once you are vaccinated, because you have some sensitized immune system to deal with the virus. That is the concept behind. There are a lot of vaccination, there are a lot of apprehensions and miscommunication prevailing across society, and some people after vaccination, they have got heart attack, they have got this, that, blood thinning and blood clotting and so many things. I don't have not an authority, or I don't have data to either talk in support or in against this particular issues, but I only know one thing, that these are very, very small, minor number of, very small number of cases that have been affected negatively, but there are overwhelming positive influences and benefits because of vaccination. A lot of you younger people, even if you get infected with the virus, you are not likely to become seriously diseased and have negative impact. You are most likely, you can come out even without feeling the symptoms of disease. That's what we call asymptomatic. But still during that time you can be effective carriers and transmitting the disease or infection to other people. That is the reason why, even if you get infected, if you are vaccinated, the viral load is going to come down, and even if you transmit disease to somebody, you are transmitting a very small viral load which they can probably handle better. So there are a lot of, I think, webinars that are available in net. We ourselves have conducted one webinar, if I remember well, one prominent webinar by Dr. Ravi, virologist from NIMHANS, and he's also in the task force of government of Karnataka in preventing this particular thing. So go back and listen to it. It is probably still available in net, in the YouTube. Spend some time and a lot of Q&As in that particular session, which probably could answer many questions. So there are a lot of benefits, and all of you, I don't know how eagerly you are waiting, but all of us here are eagerly waiting to get you back into the campus and start our routine classes and engaging you in the academic deliberations and a transfer of knowledge process. So hopefully once all of you are vaccinated, hale and healthy, all our staff are already vaccinated, majority of them. Very few people who are yet to be vaccinated will be vaccinated soon. So when we come back in full force, hopefully we are all in better shape and good health to get back to where we were a couple of years back. So with these few words, I once again would like to thank all the officials, doctors of PBMP who have come forward and collaborated with us to carry out this particular vaccination drive for our students. I thank them on behalf of Indian Academy Group of Institutions. And all of you be careful and take necessary precautions, whatever has been put across. And if you already know some of these things, well and good. Happy vaccination throughout today and tomorrow, and get back to work sometime soon. Thank you and good day to you.
Thank you, sir. We also thank Professor Leena and Professor Rajeshwari, the HOIs, for joining us. Thank you, ma'am. We will start with the vaccination now. I request all the students to follow the instructions given to you yesterday.